Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to change location on Uber Eats. Changing location on Uber Eats is a straightforward process, so let's go ahead and dive into the video. First of all, open a web browser. Go to the URL box and type in ubereats.com. Also make sure that you're signed into your Uber Eats account by entering your account's credentials. The main homepage of Uber Eats will look like this. Go ahead and get to the top left corner and you will be able to see this little drop-like icon which you'll need to click, and then click the change option right next to your location. Once you've done that, enter a new delivery address that matches your location and go ahead and enter your delivery options in the text boxes. Make sure to enter your apartment, suite or floor number, your business name and a delivery instruction. And finally click on the save button to change your delivery address on Uber Eats. So that is how you can easily change your location on Uber Eats in just a couple of steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.